Hi, Andrea.
Hi, Tim.
What are you up to today?
I am going on a golf course tour. Say that 5 times fast.
You forgot the word nature. We're gonna go play with alligators. So this is the Sun City Golf Club. They offer a nature tour of their golf courses because there's, I guess, nature there.
Yeah.
There's going to be flora and fauna.
It's going to abound. Except it is thundering like crazy outside, and it is most likely raining on the golf course on the south side. So
we'll see.
We'll see.
But
this is actually the second time we're attempting this because the first one did get rained out. It monsooned that night. So
I've been looking forward to this.
Yeah, this should be interesting because the golfers are the ones who see the courses all the time, and they're landscaped beautifully and stuff. So
they know where to look. So hopefully we'll get some good photos, and this will be a fun time.
Yeah.
So we'll see you out there. To a stop.
There's another killdeer.
There you go. Make sure you turn it off.
Is there any bird sharks here?
sure.
So there's a killdeer.
You see them?
It's a killdeer right there.
These are killdeers. It's a little plover.
See how far we get, guys.
There's 5 or 6 of them. We just passed 10 up through here. They love
Some of them. I'm not actually sure if it's algae though. Or
So that's a great blue heron.
duckweed.
Duckweed. And the duckweed is just a little floating plant.
And there's an alligator over there.
Well, it can take a lot of the oxygen out of the water, right? And it,
Pan back this way.
yeah.
There is was an osprey nest.
Oh, does it? Because it doesn't even have houses around it.
So it had an osprey in it last year.
Yeah. Fertilizer.
Well, this live oak
live oak.
support 532 different species of caterpillars, 147 different birds, 120 different animals, and 60 different reptiles. Depend on the live oak tree.
In a recent study that they did on Carolina chickadees, which is one of my favorite little birds, they were trying to figure out how many caterpillars a pair of birds would need to raise babies. Well, they followed this pair of adult chickadees who had 6 babies, and from the time that they hatched to the time that they fledged and left the nest, the parents had to gather 9,000 caterpillars. So you can see how important something like the live oak would be with 500 different species of caterpillars. And a non-native tree like a ginkgo tree, which we do have some ginkgos here, only support about 5 different varieties of. So we really need about what the studies are showing, about 70%.
It's a fox squirrel walking.
It's one of the fox squirrels. He's walking, but he was hopping earlier.
See him. I got pictures of him.
He's right there. He's walking away from us.
Oh, I was looking at the ones.
There he is.
Okay, so this guy's a fox squirrel. He is a member of the gray squirrel family, but he's about twice the size.
Right here.
They come in 3 different colors. They come in the gray, which is the one that you see the most frequently. They also come in black, solid black, and they come in brown. I've not ever seen a brown one myself, but it's sort of like blue eyes, brown eyes.
Yeah. Brad and Mimi are back there. Yep. Our fellow travelers here. Oh, we're at the pole line. There's Mimi, our neighbor, and Gigi, her sister, and
But I want to
Brad, our neighbor.
point out something here too.
Hey.
Right here, you see all this algae here, but it's very delineated on which holes you play from which tee box, because that's how you get your scoring. Okay, so in addition to golf here, I just want to talk a little bit about the Hunting and Fishing Club. They were one of the groups that helped us put this together. Not all ponds here are stocked with fish, but they do stock some of them. This is lagoon right here.
Crossing over the Rickety Bridge. This puppy's got some vibration. Sunset coming through the trees there. Andrea in the mirror. Getting sunset. Sunset here on the front nine of Hidden Cyprus. It's driving away.
Hi, Tim.
Hello, Andrea. How's it going?
Great. This is take 3 because somebody keeps laughing.
Did you have fun tonight?
I had a great time.
It was a good tour. We learned a lot. And we learned some stuff.
It was fascinating.
Truly. So, what did we learn?
We learned about the birds in the area, the reptiles, the,
Kind of like
is it fauna? Which is the plants? Flora.
the wetlands, how stuff
Yes,
drains.
we used to be part of the big swamp.
The big swamp,
Yes,
the logging company.
the logging company, the paper company.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was actually a paper
it
company.
was paper, not logging, but
Yeah,
they would cut the trees down.
and there's like egrets here, and oaks can like provide habitat or keep alive like 600 million different
Yeah.
kinds of caterpillars.
Yeah,
Okay,
That was-
I exaggerated a
Well-
little, but it's a lot. And it's a native species, I can say that, species to South Carolina.
yeah.
And you want to go native.
Go native for your species.
But it was interesting.
I thought it was worth it. I was hoping to get more close-up alligators.
Well, you always want to see alligators.
Yeah, but
But alligators are good. And they actually laid between 30 and 50 eggs.
yeah. So everybody this is the alligators around here.
But they serve a purpose. They're the keystone.
They are a keystone species.
That's what we were told.
So, meaning if you take them out of the environment, that
bad.
the environment would fall down. So we got to have the alligators around here. So that's good.
Yep.
So it's like everything here at Sun City. They typically do it pretty well.
Yeah. Yeah, there's actually, it's like run by a whole group. It's this group that is like associated, part of the Golf Association.
Right. And they get trained and they have to put in the hours and stuff like that. So they were very knowledgeable
Yes.
and a lot of good information. So
And the one woman, she had like a master naturalist or something?
master naturalist. Yep. So highly recommend.
Yep. Yeah. If you come here, apparently we hit the end of
Their
the
season,
season
yeah.
for doing in the afternoon tours. They'll go mostly to do the morning tours because it's getting cooler.
And we had a double bonus that Brad and Mimi were on.
Yeah, Brad and Mimi were there. They just live up the
So
street.
they're two houses down. We had no idea they were going to be there, and they showed up.
And then Mimi's sister is here.
And you
so-
saw them earlier in the video.
Yeah.
So So that was cool too.
Yeah.
It was fun seeing them.
And even though it rained, we still were able to do the tour
We got it
because
in.
it had like kind of finished raining, and the lightning was not close enough to keep us from
We
doing
got it in. So 4 paws, good stuff.
4
and
paws.
What do we say?
I don't know, Tim. What do we say?
Knowing's half the battle. We'll see you down the road. Bye.